Alright, so I'm getting ready to replace the mirror cover on my Ram. I was able to find some colored, the black diamond black crystal, same color as my truck already. Found them on eBay, paid 65 bucks for them. And it was really easy taking this mirror off. You just take your time. I just lifted up on these little tabs here with a screwdriver. Just lift up on them and just gently pull on the mirror, and it just popped off this little thing here. I think the screw right here has got to come off. It connects in the back part of the cover here, and then you just got these little tabs here holding the cover in place. So I can't do it with two hands, but I just wanted to show that to you real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it popped off, put the new one on, and then I'll let you see what it looked like when I get done. All right, so I was able to get the chrome ones off, and if you just take your time and just gently prime those things, you can get it off without breaking those tabs. So I will be selling these and hopefully get something out of them since I didn't break it. And I just used this little plastic pry tool, kind of wedge it in between here in the mirror, and use a screwdriver to press down on those tabs and just gently get it out of there. So now I'm gonna put the black one on real quick. This should go off in that hole right down there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know what, I'm gonna have to set this phone down so I can use both of my hands, but I'm gonna get it put on there. You kind of get the gist of it. You just line it up with the hooks, and they just go inside those holes, and then you put the screw in that one hole right there to hold it down, and the mirror just pop back on there. So I'm gonna get that put on real quick, and I'm gonna knock out the other side because it's already, the sun's starting to go down, and then I'll post a video, get a video taken when I get done, snap some pictures. All right, I'm on the passenger side here. Again, all you want to do is just kind of work your way behind the mirror here, and I just pry it up on this little tab here and gently pull until it pops off around this ring here. It's pretty easy. Just take your time and you won't break anything. And then I already took the screw out of the hole here, and you just gotta gently press down on these tabs and pull out on this chrome cover at the same time, and it'll just pop off of there. So anyway, I gotta free up my hands. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all that, and which these mirrors will move pretty much all the way around, which makes it pretty helpful. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down so I can finish knocking this out. All right, just finished the passenger side, got it on with no problems. Like the way it looked already. So anyway, I'll get a video posted. If you have any questions, just comment below, and then always, I appreciate it if you hit the like or subscribe button. And I gotta excuse my truck for being dirty, but it's sitting outside right now, so it's got dirt everywhere. But anyway, and again, I'll be posting these on sale for sale if anybody want to take a look at them. I'll probably post them on eBay for about 50 bucks. So anyway, y'all have a good day.